Often during the winter months, you'll experience loud noises coming from your unit. This is common. Heat pumps tend to make strange or loud noises that increase during the colder seasons because of the valves reversing the flow of refrigerant during the heating or cooling modes. Often a loud sound happens when the outdoor unit starts up or shuts off. This sound can be similar to a backpedaling or out-of-balance washing machine. Sometimes a buzzing noise can happen even when the unit is shut down. This is caused by the solenoid coil and is also normal. Vibration noises can be the most difficult to eliminate. It can be as simple as installing rubber isolation pads underneath the unit or adjusting the strapping on the refrigerant piping. Unfortunately, sometimes the vibration noise is the unit itself and cannot be eliminated. If you hear a metal hitting metal sound, the fan blades could be hitting something and the unit should be shut off immediately. This could ruin fan blades or the motor and could also cause refrigerant leaks. If you hear this noise, call an HVAC technician immediately to service your unit. For further help with noises from your outdoor unit, or any other HVAC problems you may be having, contact us here at McGowan's Heating and Air Conditioning.